Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a poem called Flying Man. This poem Flying Man is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 19, class 1, subject English. So how we are going to learn this poem? We are going to learn this poem with the help of an innovative idea called future envisioning. What are the innovations behind this innovative idea future envisioning? The innovations are the students able to know about various professions and occupations. The students able to know about their interest and how to build on it. So these are the innovations of this innovative idea, future envision. So what are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to build and explain the concepts of vocabularies, action words and naming words. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this idea? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-requirements or pre-arrangements for the implementation. The pre-requirements is nothing but ask 3 professionals from various occupational background to visit the school and also ask the professional to carry a photo of them while they performing their duties on the field. So these are the pre-arrangements or pre-requirements for the implementation. Now let us see the implementation process. The implementation process is divided into 2 parts. For example, building part and explanation part. First let us see the building part. Now suddenly enter the classroom by hiding the doll of Spider-Man and convey the students answering a riddle will reveal its identity. Tell the students, that is as a students, I am a superhero. I am very tall and strong. I wear blue dress, red cloth, and also an alphabet S is written on my chest. Who am I? The possible responses will be Batman, Spider-Man, Superman and so on. Accept all the responses from the students and finally show the doll of Superman by making a sound zoo in order to make more effect. And now ask the students, who is your real life hero? The possible responses will be my father, my mother, my brother and so on. Accept all the responses from the students and now ask the students, in future what you want to be. The possible responses will be, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a lawyer, I want to be an engineer and so on. And conclude this activity, conclude this part by informing the students that there are more occupations to know about and also there are more professionals such as doctors, engineers, astronauts and so on. So that's all about the building part. Now let us see the explanation part. In the school, divide the students into 3 groups and inform the students just to greet the professionals while they enter the school. And also ask the professionals to tell the students that they are from various occupational backgrounds and also ask the professionals to show the photo of them, while they performing their duties on the field. And also ask the professionals to engage each and every group by telling their stories. For example, a doctor can engage a group by telling how he became a doctor, by being a doctor, how he feels good, what are the courses available and what subjects the students have to concentrate to become a doctor In this way, the doctor will discuss among the students about the profession. So, in this way, the implementation process goes on, and finally, show gratefulness to the professionals for visiting the school and enlightening the students about various occupations and professions. So, that's all about the implementation process. In this way, the implementation process goes on. What are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, future envisioning? The learning outcomes are the students able to know about various professions and occupations. The students able to know about their interests and how to build on it. The students know about vocabularies, naming words and action words. The students able to identify sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to express verbally, that is able to ask questions about various professions and occupations and ask questions about sequence of events and characters in a story or in a poem. The students able to draw or write words and write short sentences in response to a story or in response to a poem. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story or in a poem. The students able to develop their core life skills such as critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students able to identify vocabularies, naming words and as well as action words. The students able to collect records and interpret simple informations. Even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve the learning process, can improve the learning skill with the help of this innovative idea, future envisioning. And finally, experiential learning takes students away from the abstract world to the real world. So these are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea, future envisioning. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.